Ngayong Sabado, October 21, may naamoy akong birthday yan. Dali-dali akong nagsuklay at naglakad na papunta dito sa AMC Leisure Farm. Alam niyo ba yung leisure na word? Pinsan yan ni pleasure kasi puro sarap at happiness ang meron dito. Hindi pa nag-uumpisa yung party-party kaya nagtatatalon muna ako sa tuwa. I can be jumping all day pero naisip ko, nanay pala ako, ang dami ko pa palang gagawin. Kaya kung feeling nyo that the boat is drowning or sinking, just group yourself into 3.5 set. Nag-swing-swing na rin ako para makalimutan ko yung 10K na pangako ni Cayetano. Tapos nagpaikot-ikot din ako ng 90 degrees Celsius o fagalon Fahrenheit. At ito na nga mga bes, bagong kilay at nakared si Auntie Celestina dahil happy birthday niya today. Basta auntie ko nadakin niya na isungan, nakiki-auntie na rin ako, charot. Marami siyang bisita ng mga boys and girls na kabatchmates niya noong high school. Kidding aside, Auntie Tina is one example of a strong, independent, and resilient woman that no matter what life brings, just stand your ground, remain grateful, and don't lose your sanity. After all, life is about rising after every fall, acknowledging and being in the moment because everything shall pass. Ang daming English, ginugol earth ko lang din naman. 70 years old daw siya pero she doesn't look like one. You can never can tell nga kunada. By the looks of her, parang hindi pa siya nagka-arthritis. Siguro dahil dalawa ang dimples niya kaya looking young and naparagsit latta. Kaya tularan natin at iboto natin si Auntie Tina para kagawad. Charot, birthday pala ito, hindi rally. Ang mga batchmates niya ay nag-organize ng short prayer service para sa kanya, thanking the heavens that she is still strong and healthy and she is doing a great job keeping their batch organization alive and kicking.
Happy birthday. For 70 years, for Auntie Tina.
Bottoms up.
May you live long, Tina. May you live long, may you live long.
Isa-isang nagbigay ng kanilang well wishes and the things they like about her ang kanyang mga kabatchmates. And they are unanimous in saying that Auntie Tina is one of a kind and that no one is like her. Siyempre, mag-all praise sila kasi baka hindi na sila imbitalo sa kanyang 170th happy birthday. Charot. Seeing our elders enjoying and just be themselves is already an inspiration that one day we will reach that age with a bright outlook in life still intact.
Tina is single and ready to mingle.
And of course, off to our main event. Di mawawala yung cake, our lumpia, pansit na pampahaba ng pasensya, our salad agas ti high blood, adobo na pampatalino, gulay na pampahaba ng buhay, at yung grilled tilapia na nakanganga. And our tinolang sayote na may manok. Siyempre, meron din yung pambato ng AMC Farms, yung kanilang famous durian and fruit yogurt salad. Food was sourced locally, care of Aldatans Catering Services. Siyempre, after kainan, more fun begin. More sayawan, more kantahan, more kantsawan. Ikot-ikot na mga yan. Itornado mo na yan. Charot. Happy birthday, Auntie Tina. May you live 1,000 years. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng mahabang buhay, este events place na tahimik at closer to nature, wala sa akin ang mga yan. Lahat andito sa AMC Leisure Farm. Pwede sa meetings, kasal, binyag, happy birthday, overnight, overstay din. Kumpleto sila sa basic amenities, plus they can offer you healthier food options. As you can see, this place is surrounded by fruit-bearing trees from kape to cherries, papaya, durian, kalamansi, lansones, and most of all, andito yung malaking heart with a view. Meron din silang view deck sa second floor with Mount Kapugan as a stunning backdrop. Ang AMC Leisure Farm is owned and managed by Doc Maylene and Manong Aldrich Kumti, located few meters away from the famous Ambuaya Lake, Kiangan, Ifugao. For reservation, please contact their Facebook page number. At ayun, kailangan na nating umuwi dahil marami pa tayong ifo-fold na labada. Proud ako sa sarili ko kasi wala akong naisilipin today. Charot. Thank you for watching.